morning, everyone, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you doing today? Oh, that's so nice to hear. Are you ready to sing our good morning song together? All right, make your arms into a circle out front, raise them up high, and back out in front. Now let's sing together. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning so far. Let's get started with circle time by moving on to our calendar and weather right here. All right, we started a new month recently. Do you remember the name of the month? January. Very good, friends. And today is the 5th. So that means that we can move our chip from yesterday, which was January 4th, over to the number 5. January 5th, and the new year is 2021. Let's count all of the days that we've had in January so far. Warming up your counting fingers. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is January 5th, 2021. Now it's time for the Days of the Week song. So I need to see 7 fingers like this. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you remember what the day was yesterday? Monday. Very good, friends. So that means that today is Tuesday. Excellent. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. But today is Tuesday. Sing that with me. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday all day long. Let's move back up to the top of the chart to talk about the season. What's the season? Winter, very good. And what happens in the winter? Where I live, it's very cold and very snowy. But it's not that snowy today. Let's sing the weather song before we talk about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Like I said before, it's not snowy at my house today. Do you see the picture right here? It's another sunny day at my house, but the temperature is still very cold. What's the weather like at your house? All right, yesterday we learned a new letter of the week. Do you remember this letter? What sound does it make? Can we do that sound together? Here we go. S. That sounds like a snake. This letter also looks like a snake. Do you know what letter this is called? This is a lowercase s, and an S says S. Okay, let's see what's in my number and letter box today. Are you ready for your first hint? All right, this is something that you find in the sky on clear nights. It's not a moon. What else could come out at night? You're right, friends. A star. Star starts with the letter S. We also learned a new number of the week yesterday. Do you remember what number this is? Very good, it is the number 5. And we hold up one hand for the number 5 because we have 5 fingers on our hand. The number 5. Okay, let's see what's in my number box. I have 5 of them. I don't know if they're going to all fit in my hand, so I'm going to lay them out on top of the box like this. Ooh, that one is rolly. All right, are you ready to count my 5 pine cones with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pine cones today. Do you remember the new unit that we started talking about yesterday? You're right, it was transportation. Transportation is a way for someone or something to get from here to there. Now, the most common form of land transportation, which we're going to be talking about this week, is a car. Many of you probably have a car parked out in your driveway or in the garage. If you do have a car, what color is it? My car is silver, but right here I have a blue car and a red car, and I want to race them down this ramp. I'm going to start them both at the top, the blue one and the red one. Which one do you think will reach the ground first? Are you ready to find out? All right. Will you say on your mark, get set, go with me? On your mark, get set, go! Oh, that looked like a tie to me. They both reached the ground at the same time. Should we try that again? All right, let's give it another try. On your mark, get set, go! Do you see which one hit the ground first? The blue car was the winner. That was a lot of fun. Are you ready to have more fun and see your work activity for the day? All right, here we go. For today's work, you will need some different colored paint, a couple of vehicles, preferably vehicles that have different types of grooves on their tires in different patterns, and some colored construction paper. Once you have your paint, take a vehicle and drive the tire through the paint. This is a motorcycle, so it has 2 tires. I want to make sure that I have lots of paint, and then I'm going to drive my motorcycle on the paper. Ooh. Can you see the different types of patterns that the tires made? Let's try the pickup truck. This pickup truck has 1, 2, 3, 4 tires. I'm going to use yellow paint this time. So I'm going to dip all 4 tires in. All right. Move my paint out of the way. And now I'm going to drive my pickup truck. I wonder if these tire tracks will look the same as the blue ones or any different. Ooh, look at that. The tire tracks are different. An extension to this activity would be to line a coffee table or a child-sized table with black construction paper, kind of like a road, and then have your child drive the vehicles around the road. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Today's work is one of my favorite activities, and I really hope that you enjoy it. Thanks for learning with me today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and check me out on outschool.com for live and interactive versions of my classes. We have one more song left to sing before we go. Wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a good day, and I'll see everyone tomorrow.